and say.
Okay? Listen and say. We listen and repeat. Ready?
Fur,
Fur,
tail,
tail,
teeth,
teeth,
feathers,
feathers,
wings,
wings,
shell,
shell. Okay? So, this is the tail. This is fur, fur. These are teeth. These are feathers. These are the wings. And this is a shell. Let's repeat again. Ready? Listen and repeat.
Listen and say. Fur,
Fur,
tail,
tail,
teeth,
teeth,
feathers,
feathers,
wings,
wings,
shell,
shell. Ok. Tail es esto, la cola. Tail. Fur es la piel. Teeth, los dientes. So, tail, fur, teeth. Feathers. Los pájaros no tienen fur, lo que tienen son feathers, plumas. Wings, wings, las alas. And the tortoise no tiene fur, no tiene feathers, tiene shell, shell, un caparazón. Okay, now,
big,
big,
small,
small,
long,
long,
short,
short. Okay? Big, small, long, short. Now, listen and decide on a number.
Now listen and number.
These are my pets.
1,
This is my tortoise. It's small. It's got 4 legs and a short tail. It's got a shell.
So, what is number 1? This, or this? This is number 1, the tortoise.
2,
This is my dog. It's got black fur and it's got a long tail. It's got big teeth.
So, what is number 2? This or this? Yes, the dog is number 2. So, number 1, number 2.
3,
This is my parrot. It's green. It's got feathers and wings.
And this is number 3, the parrot. So the tortoise is number 1, the dog is number 2, and the parrot is number 3.